Yo, what's up? It's J2O King, the real FOREX King, back for a weekly Forex forecast for the week of March 20th to the 25th. First thing we do is look at this forexfactory.com to see the news events happening for the week. Let's start off with Sunday. So Sunday, bank holiday, affecting JPY pairs, so it should be slow. I don't usually trade on Sundays, but now we go to Monday. And Monday, there's some volatility. You got the Fed Chair Powell speaks during New York session, 10 a.m. At 9 p.m., you have the Australian dollar red folder, which is high impact news. So mainly look out for these red folders with high impact news, which brings volatility in the market. So if you trade this pair, just be cautious. Then Tuesday is really like a chill day in the market, not too much activity, lot of yellow folders. And then Wednesday, we got some heavy impact on New York section, affecting GBP pair and USD. And then 3 a.m. London session, GBP pair. So Wednesday should be some decent volatility in the market. And Thursday, during London session, the CHF pairs and Euro. There's news events, high impact news, so be careful trading those pairs. And then we get into New York section. There's a lot of orange folders, some medium impact news. And then Friday to end the week, trading week, couple folders affecting the GB pair news. So orange. So Friday shouldn't be too crazy, but it seems like the main days, Wednesday and Thursday, a lot of news events that are like high impact that can affect the market. Now let's look at the charts. So right now, looking at this GBP, JPY for a chart. Let's see what's going on. So this is based off analysis from last week. As you can see, the market took off for this pair. We're a serious uptrend. Look at that. Just took off. Then the whole war stuff, the market tanked, but now we're correcting, and now we're just on an uptrend right now. The market hit the zone, created a higher high. So right now we're on an uptrend. And going to this week, we had news events where it could affect the market with the pair. But right now, I do see the market potentially, if we retrace back to the zone and shoot back up. I do see overall uptrend for this pair. Let's go to the daily chart so we could kind of get perspective. Look at all these past analysis. So yeah, right now the strong push up. So I do see a slight retrace, and then I do see us continuing going upwards. But could we always go by structure? We could literally retrace down just to hit here, and if we respect the zone as a resistance, we'll just come back down. But if we break the zone, then it's going to be more push to the upside. Expect to see that like Wednesday or Wednesday or Thursday actually. GBP USD for a chart. So this pair been on last week we pretty much was on a slight uptrend and consolidation. So this week I do see us either testing the zone and retrace back down. But we push, I do see us pushing up to get to the zone. If we break this zone here and create a new high, we will push to this target. But right now, I do see potential retracement to test the zone here, this fib zone, and then shoot back up. Or if we just go already, because sometimes when the market opens on Sunday to Monday, it already starts on a trend and then it could shoot up. Let's look at US30. So the Dow finally recovered. I know everyone's worried about the Dow since it was down, but we took off last week, straight uptrend. So I do see the market recorrecting slightly, but we're still in the uptrend. So I do expect to look for buys to see if we get to the next push to the 35519 area. If we target the zone area. And now let's look at gold. So this is daily chart. So gold been on a downtrend. Last week went down, came up a little down. But I do see us potentially going up for a buy. So gold is a safe haven. I do see us using this area of support. If we respect this area of support, we should come back up for the week. But if we break this zone area, then we're gonna see gold come back down to test this area, 1869. Might test 1869 if we break this zone, this previous support. If not, then gold's gonna shoot back up. I know we hit like 20,000 the prior week, but I do see us at least getting to the 1994 for potential push. So right now it seems like we're trying to create support on the daily chart. And then those who trade crypto, XRP USD. So crypto finally took off this past week on the uptrend. Right now I do see us potentially coming back down to start the week to retrace. And then shoot back up. This is for our chart. Right now, we're still overall uptrend for XRP USD. But so we just create like a new high. We're gonna create like a lower high and then make a create support before we shoot back up. And then Bitcoin. So right now, today's what, Saturday. Right now we look like a potential sell happening right now. We're still in the uptrend. As you can see from this past week, if it's for our chart, we took off, started a little bit and created like a high. But now we're testing this area. This was a lower high at one point. This was a higher high, and this was a lower high. Right now, we're testing this area so we can potentially come back down and respect this trend line and shoot back up to get to the new high. So right now, let's go to the daily chart real quick for Bitcoin. As you can see on the higher time frames, this was a high one point, then we came down and created a lower high. Then we create a lower right now. Okay, we create a higher high, then a higher low, and now we're creating a lower high. Then we create a lower low, and now we're trying to create potential higher high if it breaks. But right now, it doesn't seem like it's happening. So we're about to create a lower high and come back down. So look out for sell entries this week for Bitcoin. So you should practice the concept of higher highs or lower highs, higher lows. Lower highs, lower lows. So right now, Bitcoin, we had a lot of momentum last week, so I do expect us to come back down this week. So look for potential sells just to catch the movement to the lower high before we shoot back up one last time. But if you break here, expect to come to this zone. If you break this zone here, And by looking at the calendar this week, most of both volatility is coming like Wednesday and Thursday in the market. So Wednesday and Thursday in the market is going to definitely push the GBP pairs, as you can see. Sometimes Fridays nothing, not too crazy in the market, and Monday sometimes it's continuation from last week. So definitely trade what you see and not what you think, and to be all right, and definitely use good risk management. So this week, let's go to 4 hour for gold real quick. I am expecting to look for buy entries around the zone area to see if it shoots back up to the 1994. But we break here, then I'm gonna change my bias, because then we should be going down to this zone and then down to this zone. That's if we break here. But right now, we should be good to go. So look for buys this week for gold. And this is my analysis for this week. Definitely like, comment, and let me know what you think. You already know we out here. Peace.